Today we will continue to work on the concepts of learning about patterns and how the pattern core is the part of the pattern that keeps repeating. You will also get to choose what comes next in the pattern as well as do a few fun activities. Let's get started. When we look at patterns, the patterns can have different cores. Remember, that's the part that's repeating. A pattern can have an A-B core, just like this, where it is a bus, pencil, pencil pattern. Two things that keep repeating. Or a pattern can be A-B for the core, where it's just like this example. Glue stick, glue bottle, notebook. Glue bottle, notebook. Patterns can also be ABB. Note file, tape. Note file, tape. Or like we seen in class yesterday, a pattern can be AABB, where there's two colors that keep repeating. Blue, pink, blue, pink. And lastly, a pattern can be an ABC pattern, like this. Pencil, glue bottle, ruler. Pencil, glue bottle, ruler. And that keeps repeating.